My presentation is Vector Data Systems Machine Learning with Combinatorial Optimization. The intelligent symmetry and asymmetry ensembles well defined by Hermann Weyl. Symmetry as wide or as narrow as you may define its meaning is one idea by which man through the ages has tried to confirm and create order, beauty, and perfection. To see on this file you can see famous American scientist Golomb Ruler, and you can see also the cover sheet for cooperative grants program application with University of Southern California and Lewis Polytechnic in March 5, 1996. What is ideal Golomb ruler? It is the longest ideal Golomb ruler is three-stage chain sequence, namely 1, 3, and 2. The sums of connected elements of the ruler enumerate the set of integer from 1 to 6. Only 3 are ideal Golomb rulers, namely 1, 1.2, and 1, 3, 2. The ideal ring bundles, we can see numerical ideal ring bundles. Example of numerical ideal bundles that is a cyclic sequences of positive integers that form perfect partitions of a finite interval 1 and s of integer. The sum of connected subsequences of the ideal ring bundle enumerates the set of integer exactly r times. For example, you can see an ideal ring bundle which contain the sums of contained elements of the IRB exactly once. Unlike ideal Golomb rulers, there are a priori an infinite number of one and multi-dimensional ideal ring bundles. Comparative analysis of ideal Golomb rulers must be rulers and ideal ring bundles sequences. To see this slide, we can see that number maximum of such sum for ideal Golomb rulers is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 divided 2, where n is the number of ideal of element ideal Golomb rulers. If we regard a numerical n-stage sequence of distinct positive integers, where we require all terms in each sum to be consecutive elements of the sequence as being cyclic, we can these ring sequences as s is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 plus 1. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, easy to see that the number of sums for consecutive terms in the ring topology is nearly double the number of sums in the daisy chain topology for the same sequence of terms. Vector systems information theory is shortly given in this slide. Namely, the concept of ideal vector bundles can be used for optimal solutions for wide classes of technological problems. IVBs are sets of T-stage sequences of N-stage numerical subsequences that enumerate a set of topological closed T-dimensional coordinate grid M1 multiplied by M2 and so on to M-T. For example, diagram consists on figure. Diagram consists of two three-stage sequences of two-stage subsequences placed inside another, so that the inner sequence is two-dimensional ideal vector bundle 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 yellow bits, while the outside one blue bits forms the rest two-dimensional vectors by summing module 2 and 3 of the vectors, namely 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 0. And the arrows point to the summing, giving location of the all modular sums in the ring diagram. The next slide is optimized vector data encoding system as example, where the optimized two-dimensional binary code based on the two-dimensional ideal vector bundle 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2 with informative parameters s equal to 7 and n equal to 3. The next example is an optimized vector data processing system, two sets of category attributes concurrently under the torus surface coordinate grid 2 of size 2 and 3. On the left column you can see category, the first and the second, and the right is binary code with digit weights of the two-dimensional code. The digit weights is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. The next slide presents the star code ensembles follow from the intelligent sets of IRB combinatorial configurations. These codes are well appreciated for configuring vector data system security. You can see the star codes based on the ensemble of two airbase of order file. And the spatial coordinate system based on multi-dimensional vector ideal ring bundles given on this picture. Here, each reference point is a system with t coordinates mutually unambiguously corresponds to a certain set of features of t-dimensional discrete signal, and the set of reference points corresponds to a set of sets of signals. The t counting is carried out on a t ring axis of the coordinate system according to the ordered sets of which mutually unambiguously at the same time correspond to the combinatorial of t-dimensional binary code. You can see a symbolic view of the annual axis or t-dimensional spatial coordinate system of sizes m, m1, 2, and so on, with a common point plus. Combinatorial optimization of vector information technologies focuses on intelligent vector information technologies and systems security based on the ideal ring bundles concept for the development of the new directions in fundamental and applied research in system engineering using the underlying theory. The vector three-dimensional star code form examples of cyclic multiplicative groups with unique properties of fine structure to rebuild. This technology allows reducing the total processing time of information flows by encoding data on a list of two or more attribute categories at the same time. Therefore, vector IRBs improve the structure of database with minimal memory and computing resources, supporting complexes of standard libraries of programming languages. Implementation of intelligent and multidimensional optimum encoding systems planned in laboratory work provides learning for graduate students studying computer sciences and information technologies at Lviv Polytechnic National University. Vector data system machine learning with combinatory optimization focused on technical and practical aspects of the latest research and results of international academicians, scientists, and practitioners related to intelligent information technologies and systems of information security in Ukraine. And symbolic presentation of multidimensional vector data sets under the manifold coordinate systems is given on this graph. Thank you.